You know, it's like I got the whole world in this cup.
Hello friends, and welcome to another day of Vlogmas Day 20. Isn't that nuts? It's nuts for me. I feel like we've been doing this for like 2 days. I'm about to go on my silly little walk for my mental health and then follow it up with a silly little exercise for my physical health. And I am, as usual, running late. But to my credit, whenever I'm running late, all that really means is I'm running exactly on time, but I am very aware that I have no in-between. She's quick like a cat. Anyways, I think I'm starting to lose it, so I'm gonna go exercise now. Bye. What is this?
This is my friend Esteban, and he got mauled last night by Jack Frost. Jack Frost took all his money.
You should narrate everything. I'm done harassing Joe about his online life. Iris is here. We all have less movies. Someone was doing some
yesterday. The things I do for my job.
How's your smoothie?
You know, it's like I got the whole world in this cup.
And your juice?
Delicious, quite refreshing, I might add.
Gathered you all here today to help better your lives. Just so you know, when you're both famous, you're gonna need a thing, and you better get me jobs. Otherwise, I will personally send stalkers to your door.
Once we're
when I'm a famous porn star.
Yes, when you're skinny legends, if you have not brought me with you, I'll see you in hell. I didn't tell Ira that I was getting smoothies with Joe and Iris after, and he just texted me, "Are you," and I quote, "alive?" Are you so excited? Are you so excited I'm home and alive?
I like where you sleep when you sleep next to me.
Hello, I'm here looking amazing because I have smothered my face in this lavender floral mask because, I don't know, I feel like it needs to calm down, and I do think that the lavender, maybe it's just the scent and it's just emotionally helping me, but I swear it soothes. So I'm gonna leave this on my face for 10-15 minutes or so and just walk around my house in this bathrobe because I didn't feel like pulling anything over my face, and I'm going to do a 15-minute clean.
I'm pouring gasoline.
Hello friends. We're in here in this position for no real reason other than Ira's on the phone and is also watching a basketball game, and it's very loud. Yeah, it's a little bit later in the afternoon. I just got my Vlogmas edited, which is good. I also lost several videos. But while I was editing my Vlogmas, why are you, no, you asked to be in here. Look at yourself. You asked for this. Don't come in here and growl at me. Oh my god. Idiots. Anyways, in my Vlogmas, I mentioned that I too often will just get to the point where I'm so hungry I'll just order Taco Bell. And I was like, man, Pass Lauren, that is a good idea. So what I've done is on DoorDash you can do, yes, I DoorDash Taco Bell. I'm not leaving. Look at me. I'm not going nowhere. You could do the like, hey, no rush thing, which is what I did. So it saves me $2 whole. I figure the DoorDash will take like 45 minutes to an hour. So I am going to continue just my mass cleaning spree. So I'm hoping we can get it done in an hour, and if not, rest in peace, dudes. Rest in peace.
The water is starting to freeze. That's why I close my eyes when I'm across in the street. I keep a stack of letters from all my closest friends, so I know they're real, they really love me, cause they like to play pretend. Summer hasn't started, but it feels like it's next.
It is done. My friend Kim just called because she's coming by with Christmas cookies, which is so nice of her. So I was just about to make for myself if I could get this open with my one hand, daily immune booster and these oregano spirits. I was also gonna take it with some echinacea and a zinc. I'm making one for myself. I'm gonna make one for her. Probably should make one for Ira, but he's on the phone. So on the snooze you lose. Little shots of nasty. Also Kim's present, which I don't have enough hands for all this. Oh no. Oh my god, hi. Here's your shot.
Oh my gosh, incredible. Oregano oil is just like the whole thing. It's amazing how dominating it is. But we're just so healed right now.
Yeah, we're so healthy.
This is so great. Thank you so much.
You can just leave it on the ground.
Okay. I was gonna ask you because this is very polarizing.
Yeah.
This is like a persimmon loaf that has dried fruit in it, including raisins. Is this something that's interesting to you?
Yeah.
Okay. It's
Thank you.
It's kind of like a fruitcake holiday booze kind of cake situation.
No.
So yeah, and then these are regular cookies that I dropped on the ground on accident.
Thank you so much. Here's your unwrapped
Oh my gosh,
present.
yay! Oh my gosh, incredible.
Eye cream because you're old.
That is true. I can't even deny.
That's what I'm giving everyone. I'm just like, here's some eye creams. Happy Christmas.
Ooh, I'm so excited to try it. Thank you so much.
Yeah, of course. You can just throw it in the trash if you don't want it. But
I won't tell you
I'm
about
gonna eat these. Even exchange.
before the Taco Bell.
Oh yeah. I like your hat also.
Oh,
my
thank you.
God, what a stylish woman.
My sweatsuit, that just every time I wear it, I'm like, well, it's dirty again. I guess that's
No,
that.
I legitimately have the same stain
Yeah,
on
I'm
my
like,
pants,
okay.
but mine's on my left leg.
Yeah, it's just everywhere.
Yeah.
I'm going to the exciting Zoo Lights drive-through tonight. Otherwise, I would hang.
Oh. Are they doing it all week?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, we should do that.
Yeah, you should. I'll tell you if it's cool.
Okay, yeah,
or if
let
it
me know.
sucks.
Oh, wow.
My dad got Thor and Biggie a gift, and it's a bowl that makes the water come out.
It's very cute.
Mm-hmm.
I like the little spout.
Yeah, and I know at least cats are supposed to really like them. Running water. I don't know. Thor will dig it. We'll see.
Set it up, set it up. I showed Ira this picture that we got. Tell me the story.
No, the guy handed it to me. He's like, I need to take a picture. So I was like, okay. And he's like, no. You can hold it together. And I held it together, and we got that masterpiece.
I just loved your instantaneous willingness to just be like, yeah, I got a pose in my pocket. Thor's so not interested in the water. I was just bringing animals over to it as fast as he can.
Animal number 2.
Okay. Let's get out of their way.
I know, I'm letting you down.
You gotta release. There you go.
Oh, she went right for it.
She's into it.
Is a real and official nail drill. Actually, it's probably not that real and not that official, but it was on a very good sale the other week when I bought this. Connects, and then you turn it on, and you set the rotation of it, and then you just turn this little dial. And I'm ready to buff my nails. Oh man, I don't know why this is so satisfying to me. Oh my god. Also, Ira asked me if it was Walkman branded, which was rude.
Hey, I got you something for Christmas. Can't imagine anyone being a bigger hit with my children.
Ira's never seen
Trying to figure out why.
The Holiday. So you've never understood the Mr. Napkin head reference?
You're gonna be a real ball buster.
I don't think I've ever heard that reference.
Must admit, I kind of
Friends, I'm going to bed. I was gonna show you my nails. These are oh, I had to get my cuticles fixed. Oh my god, it was very dark. Like a light, sparkly pink, which I don't think looks bad by any means. I like the color. I like my hands. I feel very early 2000s with these, and I'm here for it. It's just, they don't look like my hands. My nails are never this short. They're also not like a bright neon. Who are you? I hope you've all enjoyed this at-home vlog. I guess we did go get a smoothie, so at least we left the house once today, but I don't know. I like having a day where I just don't have to go anywhere. This is so late. How have we done this for 20 days? I just can't get over it. It is wild. Is it just me? Or does this year just like especially not feel like Christmas at all? You know, like between global warming and maybe it is just me because like we haven't really done, as you've literally seen, that many Christmassy things this year, I guess. But I also am just like, so we can't really go anywhere because there's not really a ton to do. I haven't really taken off of work at all. And also because you can't really do anything, it's just like there's not really any parties or like plans or I don't know. It's just not like, I feel like it's just like a limited year. And so I'm like, I guess since I'm aware of that and I know that, maybe I should just like figure out stuff that we could do. Like you could make Christmas cookies. Like, you know what I mean? Like there's still other stuff, but I don't know, this year it just doesn't feel like it, and so I guess I'm less like prompted to do stuff, if that makes any sense. Like I'm having a good time, you know what I mean? Like I'm living my life. I'm not saying it doesn't feel Christmassy as in like equates to it's not a good time, like I'm having a bad time or anything. It kind of just feels like any other time. Anyways, I'm gonna go to sleep. Let me know how y'all are feeling about the season. Or not. Either way, go brush your teeth. Maybe use some mouthwash, because I'm really bad at that. And have a nice day. Bye. Thank you for watching. I will see you tomorrow.
The water is starting to freeze, that's why I close my eyes. When I'm across in the street, I keep a stack of letters from all my closest friends, so I know they're real, they really love me, cause they like to play pretend. Summer hasn't started, but